Michigan winters are no joke, especially in Shelby Township, where heavy snowfalls, freezing temperatures, and icy conditions are the seasonal norm. For homeowners, winter can expose weaknesses in a roof, leading to leaks, drafts, and unexpected repair costs. That's why roofing companies in Shelby Twp take proactive measures every year to help residents prepare their homes for the cold months ahead. Whether you're a new homeowner or simply looking to keep your roof in top condition, here's how local experts gear up for winter, and what that means for the protection and comfort of your home. Conducting comprehensive roof inspections before snow hits. One of the most important steps taken by roofing professionals is performing fall roof inspections. Before snow and ice accumulate, companies thoroughly examine roofs for signs of wear, including cracked or missing shingles, loose flashing around chimneys or vents, signs of water damage or leaks, weak spots in the roof decking. By identifying issues early, roofing companies can address minor problems before they become costly emergencies during a winter storm. Reinforcing vulnerable areas. Certain areas of your roof are more prone to winter damage, particularly valleys, flashing, skylights, and eaves. Roofing crews in Shelby Twp strengthen these weak points using ice and water shield membranes, reinforced flashing material, sealing and caulking to prevent water intrusion. This extra attention helps prevent ice dams, a major winter roofing problem that can cause water to back up under shingles and leak into the attic. Clearing gutters and downspouts. Gutter maintenance is crucial for winter prep. Clogged gutters cause water to overflow and freeze at the roof's edge, which contributes to ice dams and structural damage. Local roofing companies offer gutter cleaning services to remove leaves, twigs, and debris, ensure proper drainage, prevent ice buildup along the eaves. Some companies may also install gutter guards to keep debris out all winter long, reducing maintenance for homeowners. Improving attic insulation and ventilation in Shelby Twp. Roofing professionals understand that a well-maintained roof also depends on what's underneath. Many companies provide attic insulation and ventilation assessments to prevent heat from escaping through the roof, which can reduce snowmelt and ice dam formation, improve overall energy efficiency, maintain indoor comfort. By ensuring your attic is properly insulated and ventilated, they help your entire roofing system function better in extreme temperatures. Emergency services and winter-ready crews. Despite the best preparation, unexpected weather damage can still occur. That's why many roofing companies in Shelby Twp offer 24/7 emergency response during the winter months. From handling storm damage to patching up sudden leaks, these professionals are equipped with cold weather gear, safety tools, and winter repair materials to work in icy conditions and keep your home protected. Offering preventive roof treatment to prevent snow and ice from taking a toll, some companies apply protective coatings or treatments to the roofing surface. These treatments can Enhance water resistance. Extend the life of shingles. Make snow removal easier in heavy storms. Additionally, snow retention systems or heating cables may be installed to manage snow accumulation on larger or low-slope roofs. Final thoughts. Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the brutal Michigan winter. That's why roofing companies in Shelby Twp work proactively each fall, inspecting, repairing, reinforcing, and preparing every component to withstand snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. By trusting local experts who understand the unique demands of the region, you ensure your roof is winter-ready and your home stays warm, dry, and secure. If you haven't had your roof checked yet this season, now's the time to schedule an inspection with a trusted Shelby Twp roofing professional. A little preparation now can save you from big headaches and expenses later.